Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Shalom, Saints. So I'm here today sharing how I am teaching my daughter how to use the sewing machine. I'm going to share a couple of tips and tricks to help anybody who would like to teach their young daughters how to use this machine. One really important thing that I would like to start off with is showing them by example. They're going to have that desire to learn how to sew using the machine when they see us using the machine. So I know it's cumbersome, I know it takes a lot of time and energy, but the best way to show them is to let them see us taking the machine out and using it. All right, so next, a really important thing to do is to teach them to respect the machine. This is a very powerful tool and it can hurt you if you do not use it properly. But we don't want to instill fear into them, but just a healthy respect for the machine. And one of the ways to do that is to teach them the parts of the machine. So we're gonna do a little pop quiz and I'm gonna ask Eden, say shalom, Eden.
Hello.
I'm gonna ask her a few parts of the machine to see where she's at. All right, Eden, so where is the presser foot?
The presser foot is right here.
Good. All right, so where do we go to change the stitch pattern?
You go right here.
And you turn it, right?
And you turn it this way to A, which is straight like this. Then B, which is to the side like this. Then C, go to C. It has all different kinds. It has C is the a zigzag like that.
Zigzag stitch.
Zigzag stitch.
Good job.
And then there's lines from big
so
to
these
little.
So you'll go here to have a big zigzag and here to have a small zigzag.
And you can go in the middle to have a kind of like medium zigzag.
Exactly. Good job. Thank you. We haven't explored any of these yet. Okay, so where do we go to adjust the stitch length?
The stitch length is right here.
Good job.
So if you want to do it very, very tiny close, you do one. If you want to do it kind of open, you do two. And then
Good
you just
job.
keep on going if you want to do it wider and wider.
Good job. Okay, thank you. Okay, where do we press if we want to do a reverse stitch? So for example, at the beginning and the end of our stitch, we want to lock it in place. So where do we go to do a reverse stitch?
A reverse stitch is you press this down, and then the thing where it sews in, it goes backwards.
Good
and
job.
then when you let it go, it goes forward.
Good job. So where do we go to wind the bobbin or to put thread on the bobbin?
To put thread on the bobbin?
Right here. The bobbin winder.
The bobbin winder is here.
So where is the bobbin first?
The bobbin.
Well, what is a bobbin?
A bobbin is the circle thing that holds this.
Show us where the bobbin is.
So the bobbin is right here.
No, where is it? Like
Oh.
right now. It's in there. Go ahead, get it.
So you open up this.
So, okay, let's pause here. A lot of machines, so I have a Janome New Home. It's a very basic machine. A lot of machines have a top loading bobbin, which means that there'll be a clear case and there's a bobbin right here at the top. I have a front loading bobbin, so she's gonna take the bobbin case out right now.
So there's a little thing where there's a little holder where you can pull it out, and then you can just pull this out. And remember, you have
Okay,
to
now
turn it.
show us the bobbin.
So this is the bobbin.
And what does the bobbin hold?
The bobbin holds the thread that you're going to be sewing with.
Yes, so the bobbin holds the bottom thread.
The bottom thread.
Good job.
This holds the top thread.
Yes, so, all right, so this is where you wind the bobbin and you put your thread on.
If
We're
you
not going
wanna
to get into
wind
that
that.
today. Okay. We're not going to get into that today, but just wanted to show y'all the bobbin, thread, and where it was, and what is a bobbin. All right, so just getting familiar with the sewing lingo, the parts of the sewing machine is really important and helps build their confidence to be able to operate this beautiful machine. All right, so
Now it's time to thread the machine. So you go down under this.
So how do you know how to thread the machine if you've never threaded it before?
So if you never ever threaded it before, there's arrows that show you 1 to 4. So 1 straight, 2, you go back up, 3, you go around this, go back down, then 4, you go around here, go around there, then that's when you put it in. Then that's where the presser foot comes, you pull up the presser foot, then you just leave it back.
Okay, so go ahead and show us.
So, that. And then it goes.
Snakes are so high right now.
It's not working.
It's all right, just keep trying.
Yeah, I'm not going through the hole.
All right, here, I'll do it. So we're gonna go ahead and put it through
The hole.
go through the hole.
That's
Make sure you put it under the presser foot.
under the presser foot
pull it.
and then pull it. And then
Okay,
down.
so now,
Okay.
okay,
So now.
so you're going to hold the top thread with your finger. You're going to rotate the hand wheel 1 full rotation. You're going to see the needle go down. Okay. 1 full rotation. Keep on, keep going. See? And then the bottom thread is going to emerge. Then you're going to take something like some scissors. We'll use a pencil.
You'll use a pencil and
Swipe under.
and you're gonna swipe under, and then a little string appears.
So that's the bottom thread. So you have
That's
the
the-
top
And
and the
the
bottom thread. You
bottom.
pull it out a little bit, and then this is where your garment will go through the machine. All right, so a great way to have your child practice sewing in straight lines is to download and print off some sewing practice sheets. This is actually a really great tool. I will link these sheets down below in the description box. But instead of practicing on actual material that you have to buy and, you know, using resources, you can use this without thread or anything. All you need is the needle and the machine and this paper, and she can practice following the lines. It helps with pedal control, so learning how to sew slowly and steadily, and controlling the paper or the material. So we're gonna start with this far line right here. Get in a comfortable position. It also teaches them where to start on the papers. Okay? Okay, so you're gonna turn the hand wheel towards you to lower the needle. All right, you're gonna lower the presser foot. Lower the presser foot. Okay, and to make sure that you are going in a straight line, you want that dotted line to be inside of that little opening of the presser foot. Whatever goes right there in that opening, that is where your thread is going to go, okay? So I want you to slow and steadily, okay, let's turn the machine on. So slowly and steadily sew on this line. Okay?
Thank you.
Make sure to guide the paper as well.
Hold on. It's getting out of the way.
It's okay. You just need to adjust it. Adjust it while you're sewing. So you just stop, adjust, and keep going. Good job.
I will make a melody in my heart to the Most High, yeah. I will make a melody in my heart to the Most High, yeah. I will make a melody in my heart to the Most High, yeah. Be holy, for He is holy. Dying daily, I'm killing the old me. In His hands, let Him mold me. Law in my heart, can't forget what He told me. May I forever reign. May Israel bless His name. Said there's no one like God, yeah. No, no, there's no one like God, yeah. No, no, be holy, for He is holy. Dying daily, I'm killing the old me. In His hands, let Him mold me. Law in my heart, can't forget what He told me. May I forever reign. May Israel bless His name. Said there's no one like God, yeah. No, 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 be holy, for he is holy. Dying daily, I'm killing the old me. In his hands, let him mold me. Law in my heart, can't forget what he told me. May I forever reign. May Israel bless his name. Said there's no one like God, yeah. No, no, there's no one like God, yeah. No, no. Dying daily, yeah, I'm killing this flesh. Holy Spirit, come and purge my nefesh. Like John did, I wanna lie on your chest. Holy Spirit, I can feel your caress. Give it all, so it's only you left. And when we see your works, we know that we're blessed. Give it all, so it's only you left. Work while it's day so I can enter your rest. Be holy, for he is holy. Dying daily, I'm killing the old me. In his hands, let him mold me. Law in my heart, can't forget what he told me. May I forever reign. May Israel bless his name. Said there's no one like God, yeah. No, no, there's no one like God, yeah. No, no, be holy, for he is holy. Dying daily, I'm killing the old me. In his hands, let him mold me. Law in my heart, can't forget what he told me. May I forever reign. May Israel bless his name. Said there's no one like God, yeah. No, no, there's no one like God, yeah. No, no.
Alright, so now what we're going to do is practice the pivot, turning corners. So there are some that have curves, so you sew as you turn, but the pivot is okay, so she's going to sew straight line. Once she gets to the corner, she has to gauge where she needs to stop.
Then I just keep it.
You're going to start here. You need to turn the machine back on. Put the needle down.
I will make a melody in my heart to the Most High, yeah. I will make a melody in my heart to the Most High, yeah. I will make a melody in my heart to the Most High, yeah.
All right, Saints, so that's all that we have to share for today. I hope that these tips were helpful and some type of inspiration for anyone who wants to learn how to sew or to teach their young daughter how to sew. Bless y'all and shalom.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.